In the fast-moving world of crypto, where every week brings a new DeFi trend or AI-powered blockchain project, one name that's catching investors' attention again is SNX, the native token of Synthetix. Once considered a cornerstone of decentralized finance, SNX Coin is back in the spotlight thanks to recent price movements, increased trading activity, and renewed investor interest in on-chain derivatives and decentralized perpetual exchanges. But the big question is SNX gearing up for another massive pump, or are we heading toward a dump? In this video, we'll break it all down, what SNX actually is and why it matters, how its tokenomics and project fundamentals are evolving, technical indicators and whale activity behind recent price swings, future potential heading into 2025 and beyond, and of course, whether SNX is a buy, hold, or sell in this volatile market. So sit tight, this might be one of the most important Altcoin analyses you'll watch this week. POJECTBACKGUOUND. The vision behind SNX. To understand where SNX is heading, let's rewind to where it all started. Synthetix was founded in 2017 by Kane Warwick, an early DeFi visionary, initially as a project called Haven, designed to build a decentralized stablecoin system. Later, it evolved into Synthetix, one of the first protocols to enable synthetic asset trading on the blockchain long before DeFi even became a buzzword. The project runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and its native token, SNX, plays a crucial role in powering the Synthetix ecosystem. What makes it unique? Synthetix allows users to mint and trade synthetic assets, known as synths, which are tokenized versions of real-world assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, gold, the US dollar, or even indexes and commodities. Essentially, SNX holders stake their tokens as collateral to mint these synths, enabling a decentralized ecosystem of derivatives trading, something that's traditionally dominated by centralized exchanges. This model empowers traders with limitless exposure to different markets without owning the underlying asset. Tokenomics snapshot, token name, Synthetix network token SNX total supply 328 million SNX circulating supply 327 million SNX as of 2025 blockchain. Ethereum ERC20 primary utility, collateral for synths, staking rewards, governance, and fee distribution. What sets SNX apart is its staking economy. Users lock up SNX to generate synthetic USD, earning rewards through inflationary incentives and exchange fees from trades on Synthetix, our platforms like Quenta and Polynomial. This DeFi-first model has made Synthetix one of the top decentralized derivatives liquidity layers in the blockchain space. MAKETPFOVMANCE. Where does SNX stand today? As of October 2025, SNX is trading around 3.2360, with a market capitalization hovering near 1 billion. Just a year ago, SNX was trading below 2, meaning it has more than doubled in value since early 2024, outperforming many other DeFi tokens during a relatively flat market. Recent on-chain data shows a spike in trading volume and staking activity, with over 60% of SNX supply currently staked, indicating strong community engagement and reduced circulating supply, both bullish indicators. However, despite this solid performance, SNX remains well below its all-time high of nearly 30 reached during the 2021 bull run. Comparison with competitors: SNX competes in the DeFi derivatives space, alongside DYDX, a leading decentralized perpetual exchange. GMX, known for real yield and strong token utility. Injective Protocol INJ, a layer 1 DeFi chain optimized for derivatives. While GMX and INJ have captured more hype recently, Synthetix remains a proven, battle-tested protocol with deeper liquidity in synthetic assets and a growing number of integrations with DeFi apps. PUMP, OGU, DUMP, ANALYSIS. What are the charts telling us? Now let's dig into what every crypto trader wants to know. Is SNX about to pump or dump? Technical analysis. Looking at the daily and weekly charts, SNX recently broke out of a long-term descending resistance trendline, signaling a potential mid-term bullish reversal. 200-day EMA, SNX has crossed above it, typically a bullish sign. The SI Relative Strength Index currently around 58, suggesting moderate bullish momentum without being overbought. MACD showing a bullish crossover, indicating renewed upward strength. Volume increasing on up moves and decreasing on pullbacks, another healthy sign. These indicators point toward a potential short to medium-term pump, especially if Bitcoin maintains stability above 60,000 and DeFi tokens continue attracting liquidity. Whale activity. On-chain analysis reveals that large whales have been accumulating SNX over the past few weeks. Data from Etherscan and Nansen shows multiple addresses acquiring between 50,000 to 200,000 SNX positions since early October. This accumulation pattern often precedes strong rallies, suggesting that smart money may be positioning for a potential move upward. Investor sentiment, social media and DeFi community discussions are trending positive. The SNX hashtag on X Twitter has seen a 40% spike in mentions, and forums like Reddit's Recryptocurrency are buzzing about Synthetix upcoming V3 upgrade, which aims to simplify staking and improve capital efficiency. Caution: while all signs lean toward a short-term pump, the macro environment remains uncertain. A sudden drop in Ethereum's gas fees, new regulatory announcements, or Bitcoin corrections could impact sentiment quickly. In short, SNX shows strong bullish indicators, but investors should stay alert. This is still a volatile DeFi asset. FUTUVPOTENTIAL, SNX in 2025 and beyond. Now let's look ahead. Where could SNX be headed in the coming years? Synthetix V3 upgrade. The upcoming Synthetix V3 release is one of the project's biggest catalysts. It aims to streamline the staking process, introduce multi-collateral support, enable cross-chain liquidity via layer 2 integrations, optimism base, simplify synth creation for developers. This means anyone can easily build on top of the Synthetix liquidity layer, potentially sparking an entire ecosystem of decentralized derivatives apps. Partnerships and integrations. Synthetix has strong collaborations with platforms like Quenta Trading Interface for perpetuals, Polynomial Automated Trading Vaults, Optimism and Base for low-fee transactions, Chainlink for price oracles and data feeds. These integrations strengthen its DeFi network effect, something many newer projects struggle to achieve. SNX price prediction 2025. If Synthetix successfully rolls out its V3 upgrade and onboards more DeFi partners, analysts predict SNX could reach between $6 by late 2025, with potential for double-digit growth in a strong bull market. Conservative models project steady growth, while more optimistic scenarios tied to DeFi resurgence and real-world asset tokenization place SNX at 10-12 by the end of 2026. But remember, these are projections, not guarantees. Utility expansion. As crypto adoption grows, synthetic assets could play a crucial role in bridging traditional finance and DeFi, letting users trade stocks, commodities, and currencies directly on-chain. If Synthetix captures even a small fraction of this market, SNX could become one of the top-performing DeFi tokens of the next cycle. SKS and WAUNINGS. What investors should know. While the upside looks exciting, it's important to stay realistic. SNX, like any altcoin, carries several risks. Market volatility. SNX is highly sensitive to overall DeFi market sentiment. A Bitcoin correction or liquidity crunch can trigger 30–50% drawdowns quickly. Competition. The decentralized derivatives market is getting crowded. Projects like DEX, GMDEX, INJ, and EVO are all competing for liquidity and users. Regulatory pressure. As governments tighten rules on derivatives and synthetic assets, Synthetix may face compliance challenges, especially around KYC and tokenized real-world assets. Smart contract risk. Even though Synthetix has been battle-tested, smart contract bugs or exploits remain a risk for any DeFi protocol. Inflationary rewards. While staking rewards are attractive, they can lead to token inflation if not managed properly, potentially diluting SNX's value over time. In short, high potential, but high-risk classic DeFi territory. CONCLUSION, so pump or dump. To wrap it all up, SNX Coin stands as one of the most innovative and established projects in the DeFi derivatives sector. Its strong fundamentals, upcoming V3 upgrade, active community, and whale accumulation all suggest a bullish mid-term outlook. However, it's not without risks. Macroeconomic uncertainty, competition, and volatility could trigger short-term corrections. So, is SNX a pump or dump? Right now, the signs lean toward a pump, but investors should enter cautiously, manage risk, and monitor key developments around the V3 upgrade and broader market conditions.